Hello, welcome to Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. We at HMS are here at the Ericsson booth showcasing a very nice industrial application for wireless communication. Ericsson, as a cellular company, is providing this kind of wireless infrastructure dots. You put it in your factory and you get an infrastructure for wireless connectivity. With HMS, we provide our wireless bolt with 5G connectivity, and you put this on all your different machines. And they can then collect data wirelessly to the dots, and you get the wireless communication system. We also show how our E1 gateways can use this data and provide this to the cloud.
So we are zooming into a logistics situation in a factory. So we're going to have 50 of these types of processes on one factory floor. And we are moving from manual picking and placing of components to a fully automated line. So we have smart storage at the end there, as you can see, moving from central storage far away from the line to bringing it closer to the line. And then we have a robot that is been sent on missions to pick the right components from the smart locker and bringing it back and placing it on these tags with computer vision. So we get an intelligent collaboration and orchestration of workflows seamlessly on one dedicated cellular network.
We are talking about wireless connectivity for industrial applications. Three things is really important for wireless communication in the industry. One is, of course, synchronization of data at microsecond or millisecond of data speed, very important. Secondly, reliability. In our factories, process control is very important, and we can never afford shutdowns in our factories, so reliability is very important. Third one is quite new. This is about flexibility. We are approaching a new area of machine intelligence, and we are building industrial automation for Industry 4.0. This requires much more of flexibility in our future factories, meaning that we can do mass production of one single unit on demand for our customers. We believe that 5G is the new technology that can solve all these three things.